let us spill this already spilled juice. Now, it has come to our attention on the entertainment streets that Sbahle has started to go sick in the head, right? MDN News says Sbahle Mpisane says she did breast implant because of rude comments she was receiving on social media on having small breasts. And I'm like, so, oh girl, if people are rude to her, she's gonna change every part of her body simply because of social media? If social media says to her she must cut her leg off, who girl is going to cut that leg off because social media is being rude? Like, guys, no. I'm not happy with how we receive social media and its interaction, because right now it's as if social media is dictating our lifestyles. How do you go and do a whole breast implant simply because somebody said something bad about how your breasts look? And actually they said that her breasts were small, and then she went and made them bigger. Now if they say they're too big for her body, she's gonna go back and make them small. This is your girl. Please like, share, and subscribe.